This is an installation demonstrating how to install a Saiga 12 shotgun and a center balanced rifle platform system for the Saiga 12. After you remove the buttstock and the fore end, you should be ready to be able to install the unit. So you can set those aside. The trunnion on the front of the barrel is the interface piece with the center balanced unit. There is a trunnion piece that intercepts these on the Saiga 12. The screw that goes into this location is a captured screw in our system. All you have to do is just send it up. You don't have to take the grip off. This is already set up to you and be able to insert your Allen wrench in there and be able to tighten it into that screw. So it's a simple process. The unit comes with the butt piece, the rear receiver rack, the main chassis and trigger operator section, and this has that trunnion in it, the tactical sleeve, front cap, and if you ordered a scope handle, that'll come as well. So I'm going to flip this over since it's a little easier for me this way. Simply slide the slot into the rear there. Line the screw into the trunnion and just tighten that nice and snug. Have the top. Now for ease of demonstration, I've used thumb screws in this. You'll have Allen screws. Just check the trigger basically. Trigger actuator rod goes and engages with the bottom of the trigger. So, okay. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and attach the butt stock. It simply slides in. It's on like that. Screw in the top. Locks that in. So that's the shortest iteration of it. The tactical sleeve simply slides on. This slot in the front sets Okay, that's it. Now, if you bought the handle, scope handle, you can use it replacing the top handle there. There's also philosophy around these days that uses what's called a long grasp. So we've designed our system so you'd be able to use the scope handle on it as well. To do that, you simply remove the Picatinny rail in the front. So this is for those competitions where someone might want to have the quick response by having grip almost to the end of the barrel. Once you've got this all in place, you can start loading up all your Picatinny gear. Now let's just say here's some nice flip up sights from UTG. I'm going to move this back. I'll show you why in a minute. Put all kinds of other gear on it as well, if you want to, of course. But this setup allows you to be able to see through a holographic sight. The batteries die. Just flip up your flip-ups, and this still is in front of everything while it's still protected from the front edge with your laser. That's it.